See, Shatika is there?
Yeah. I'm there.
See, yesterday we discussed about some conditional statements. So conditional statement means a condition will check only once. A condition will check only once. So see, so in condition we discussed it simple if else, nested if else if, switch. This simple if this is what simple if, which contains only if condition. Simple if else, nested if else if, switch. These all are conditional. Conditional means a condition will check only once. A condition will check only once.
Only once.
If the condition is true, execute some block. If condition is false, some executes some other block. In today, we are going to discuss something about iterational statement. Iteration statement, or we call as looping statements. What are the iterations or looping? Iterations or loop statements. So here mainly we have three types of iteration or looping. The one is while, another one is do while, and the one is for. So loop means a condition will check n number of times, not one or two times. It will check n number of times up to the specific condition is false. The first one I'm going to explain about while. So while is one iteration statement. The simple syntax for while is while in bracket some condition, open brace and closing brace. So here what will happen? First it will check the condition. If condition is true, then it will contain some statements. Statements is nothing but the body of the loop. Okay, so later incrementation or decrementation. Okay, so next, okay, so first what will happen? First check the condition. If condition is true, execute the statements. After that, execute the increment or decrement. After increment and decrement, once again it will goes back. Once again it will check the same condition. Once again it will goes back. Once again it will check the condition. Up to the same loop repeated some n number of times. Up to the same loop repeats n number of times. So right click, new class, WHILE, while demo. Yeah. Simple. Here my intention is I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. For that one, integer a equals to int a equals to 1. Here a is a one variable of int type. Next one, while if a less than or equals to 10, okay, system dot out dot print a, system dot out dot print a. After that a plus plus. After that a plus plus. Simply those unregulated process. Simply see what will happen. First initial a value will initialize here. So initially I am taking a value is 1. Initially I am taking a value is 1. So this will check the condition. 1 less than or equals to 10. Yeah, it's true. 1 less than or equals to 10. Yeah, it's true. So that's why it will comes to this body of the loop. It will print a. Now a value is 1. After that
1.
a plus plus. Now a becomes 2.
2.
So it printed a. Next one it will go once again it will goes back. Now 2 less than equal to 10. Yeah, condition true. It will print 2. Next one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 is also over. After printing the 10, a becomes 11. 11 less than equals to 10, condition false, simply comes out. Simply comes out. That is what? While loop. It will check the same condition up to the condition was true. Up to the condition is true. Is it clear? 1 to 10 numbers?
Yeah.
That is what? While loop. That is what? While loop. Okay?
While loop.
Next one. Can you print the 10 to 1 numbers?
Yeah.
Tell me what should I do for that?
A is equals to 10.
So logical thinking is very important in programming point of view.
10 to 1.
Yeah.
A minus minus.
Here,
Yeah.
only that one. So first one, A value is 10. 10 less than equals 10 condition true. It will print A. Next one, A becomes 9.
9.
Next 9, 10. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 0 is also okay. But when A value is okay 0, condition is true or false?
True.
True. So it won't check. Okay, it will print 0 also. Next one, A value becomes minus 1. Then condition is true or false?
True. True.
No, true.
It's
See,
true.
0, sorry, minus 1 less than or equals to 10. Condition is true.
Yeah, it's true. It will bring
Okay.
minus 1.
Minus 1 also. Next minus 2, minus 3, up to happens here. But I want only 10 to 1 only. So that gets simple. Let's see. A greater than or equals to 1.
Okay.
So logical thinking is very important, guys. See, this is what.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what.
Yeah, I got
That
it.
is what? While loop. Next one. Suppose if I enter now what is the output here? I'm asking just what is output?
It's 12 there.
Yeah, here see A less than equals to 10. Now what is the output of this program? A value is 10
It will
greater
print
than
nothing.
equals to 12. Yeah. Is it true or false,
It will
Chatrika?
print nothing. False.
Yeah. Okay. It's a false. So that's why
It will
yeah,
not print
it
anything.
will not print anything. It will not print anything. So that is what while
Because
loop.
it's not satisfying the
Yeah,
logic.
exactly. Exactly. Next one. I'm going to new class. So do while demo. So in do while same. Suppose previously we discussed about while. Okay. A equals to 1. A less than equals to 5. System dot out dot. Oh, control shift. Println. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What is the output for this program?
One,
1 to
two,
5.
three, four.
Yeah. 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
In separate lines.
Yeah, in separate lines, one after another one. Okay. I'm deleting the ln. Okay. Now, what is output?
1, 2,
Nothing.
3, 4. Oh.
Nothing.
Nothing. Why? Because the reason is a value is 10 less than equals to
10.
5. Now see the condition I given is
5.
it true or false this way? False. Okay.
It's not satisfying.
It's not satisfying. So that's why it won't enter into the loop. But the same program I want to do with the help of okay. First one see. So this is what printing 1 to 5 now. Now the same program I want to do with the help of do while loop. Simple. Remove while here. Put do here. Put while and put semicolon. Put semicolon. So system.out.println a same program. This is what. Just what is do while. One Java application. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. But if I put 10, then what will happen? So while means simply first it checks the condition. While means first it checks the condition, then execute the body of the loop. First check the condition, then execute the body of the loop. But do while means first execute the body of the loop, then check the condition, If condition is true, once again it will goes back, once again it will check the body of the loop. If condition is true, once again it will check the condition, once again it will execute the body of the loop.
So
Okay.
it's not time efficient.
Okay, so in this case what will happen, the first a value is 10 now, so it will print 10, then a value becomes 11, the condition is false, so it will print only single time the a value as 10. Why? Because first it will check the execute the body of the loop. See, I got. So while is called entry control loop. While is called entry control loop. Do while is called exit control loop. Do while is called
How to exit the loop?
no, not execute. First execute the body, then check the condition. But while loop, first check the condition, then only execute the body of the loop. So in do while, we can give guarantee for the body of the loop will execute at least one time. In do while loop, we can give guarantee of body of the loop will execute at least one time. Okay, but while loop there is no guarantee. Okay, but in do while loop, what will happen? First execute the body, whatever you written. Okay, so after execute the body, check the condition. If the condition is true, once again it will go back and once again it will check the body of the execute the body of the loop. But if condition is false, it won't, it goes back. Next, another important thing, up to now we discussed if, while, do while, switch, sorry, while, these all are. But even none of the condition contains the semicolon after the condition, but the do while loop only contains the semicolon after the condition. The reason is, if the condition is true, I want to go back, means I want to go down. Okay, but in if condition and do while, some these all condition, if condition is true, the program execution go to the next line. But here, if condition is true, control will go back. Control will goes back. Okay, is it clear? What is do while? What is while?
Yeah.
Okay, Satika, is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So next one, the very important thing, that is what for demo. That is what for a demo. Simple. For is also like as while. Okay, but the advantage of for is it's like a supermarket. In supermarket we can find out everything in same place. So here also integer a equals to 1, a less than equals to 5, a plus plus. System dot out dot print. Change. Control Lux. Yeah. Order println plus a. This is what. So here first what will happen? First initialize the value of a. So here a value first a is 1. Next check the condition. If condition is true, execute the statement. If condition is true, execute the statement. Your statement value is a is 1. Statement value is a is 1. Next one it will goes back, so it will print a, it will goes back to the incrementation part. Now a value becomes 2.
2.
Next condition is true, it will go here. So this one first one, the condition is second, and body of the loop is third, and incrementation and decrementation fourth, and control will goes to the condition, not to the initialization. Control will goes to the condition, not to the initialization. See. So this is first one, and this is second one, and this is third one. After that, control will goes to a plus plus. Means after incrementation, control will goes to condition. After condition, control will goes to the body of the loop. So this loop will execute. Okay, this loop will execute. So that is what for loop. Another important thing is every for loop should contain 2 semicolons. Every for loop should contain 2 semicolons. In previously, Chatika implemented one program, but that program she used to comma. But we should not use comma, we have to use the semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yeah, every for loop is mandatory. Suppose in some situations, if you don't have any incrementation part, then just remove that incrementation part and maybe if you want to put here also you can put like this. Okay, but it should contain two semicolons. Before first semicolon we have to put initialization, after second semicolon we have to put the incrementation or decrementation, but in between that we have to put like some condition. In between that we have to put some condition. Is it clear? Any doubt in this?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is what. Next one more important concept in Java, we have to discuss something about arrays. Arrays. The purpose of array is a single variable which holds multiple values. A single variable holds multiple values, but the all values should be same data type. But all values should be same data type.
Either numbers or characters.
Yeah, very good. Either integers or float or double, only the same type. So here what I'm going to do, integer a of something equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhat, whatever it may be. That is what. Okay, integer, suppose char ch equals to this is what. So this is what integer array, this is what character array.
Characters.
Okay, now for int, okay, instead of int simply I'm taking, okay, either way we can take it, int I equals to 0 up to I less than a dot length, simply return the size of the array, simply returns size of the array. Now system dot out dot println, if I want to print a of I, if I want to print a of I, wants to print a of I. This is what. Okay, first initially I value 0, condition is 2, a dot length means the size of the array. Size of the array is 1, 2, 3, totally stored in 7 values. So size is now becomes 7. Size is now becomes 7. Okay, so first it will print a of 0. What is the a of 0 value? 1. Next one a of 1. The 1 value is 2. A of 3. 3 value. Another important thing is the index value starts from 0. Array index value starts from 0. Okay, so that is what here we called as position. That is what here we called as position. Array index value starts from 0. Array index value starts from 0. We called as position. Okay, position. Next one, that is what integer array. Okay, at the same time if I want to print the character array, here instead of take for loop, we have one more thing, that is what for each loop. That is what for each loop. See, what is the for each loop? Sorry. Okay, it's not going to be range. I want to use same thing, control C. Yeah, so that case here a dot length, ch dot length, ch, so system dot out dot println char array. As demo, right click, run as Java applications. Okay, see, this is what integer array, this is what character array.
character.
So here we use it println, so that's why it's printed line by line. So that's why it's printed line by line. Okay, that is what. Rest of it. Yeah, this much. If you want the next line, this what. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that is what arrays. That is what arrays. So there are n number. Okay. Next one, if you want to declare one string array, see string sr equals to some name 1 comma name 2 comma name 3, name 2 comma name 3. So here sr is what type of array? String array. Sr is string array. For string st column sr. That is how to print the values using for each loop. See, now I'm checking. Assume I don't know anything. How to print string array using for loop in Java. See, here I taken string str one array, languages. I'm also doing same thing. Huh? Why is showing for each loop wrong in my class? But actually this is the right syntax to print the for each loop. So for each loop, it contains only the respective variable and language. Language is what type of array? Is a string array. So that's why printing one string variable. But actually I don't know why in this sheet it is showing wrong. Okay. But actually this is the right syntax.
Okay.
Print st. Yeah, change project compilation and JRE to 1.5. See, right click, properties, Java compiler. See, in 1.4, did you observe here? Very important thing, guys. The for each loop is not available in Java 1.4. For each loop is not available in Java 1.4. So if I change to 1.5 or 1.6, if I change to, see, I'm changing 1.4 to 1.6, then press apply as. Okay, then did you observe the error was gone?
No, there's no error.
Okay, so why? Because for each loop is invented in which version?
1.5 or
Yeah, 1.5. This is what. Simply here see. SR is one string array. I'm having some n number of values in that. Now the SR value is assigned to ST. Means the first SR of 0. What is the SR of 0 value? Charitrika. That value will be assigned to
Charlie.
ST and that value I'm printing. Next one SR of 1 value. Next one SR of 2 value. Okay. So dynamically it will take. We don't need to specify any size of that. We don't need to specify any size of that. So that is what for each loop. Is it clear? For each loop?
yeah.
Okay. So is it clear what is arrays?
Yeah.
What is these all are? Okay. So next one more important concept is functions. One more important concept is functions. New,
Functions.
yeah, class functi1 function demo. See, these all are some basic classes. Yeah.
Okay.
Control as, see, public, static, void, say hi. System dot out dot println
Yeah.
system dot println someone. Oh, chin control X, control V. Yeah. Okay. Say hi. So here what I'm going to do here. Say hi. This is what. So here this is what one function. Here this is what one function. Here a function I can write whatever I want. So open brace 2 and closing brace. Open brace 2 means open paralysis 2, the closing paralysis. In between we can write something that is what body of the function. That is what body of the function. Next one, the function name. A function name I given as say hi. Next one, if you observe carefully, the function name is more than one token. The second token I started with capital. The second token I given which has a capital. But it's not mandatory. But if you follow this type of rules, it's better. Follow this type of rules. Okay, say hi. Next one, the void is nothing but C. Control C. Yeah. Here some retur written integer x comma integer y written x plus y, then the return I'm returning something though, that's why that is integer value. Control X, the written spell mistake, retur. Sorry. Yeah. Now int sum is okay. S is sum of 10 comma 20. System dot out dot println sum is plus S. Yeah, simply see. So here I'm calling to some function. Some function is designed by me and it returns integer value. It returns integer value. Okay, why? Because return x plus means whatever values I'm passing here 10 comma 20, the 10 value will go to
X.
C. Yeah, the 10 value will go to X and 20 value will goes to Y. Next, whatever value I'm having in X and Y, I'm adding those two values. I'm returning that value. So after adding those two value, after returning, what type of value I'm returning? I'm returning integer value. I'm returning integer value. So simply I'm calling this function and the total result of this function it returns one integer value. That value is as I'm assigning into as finally I'm printing that value. So here this is what called return type. Here this is what called return type. Suppose if you don't have any return type, then we have to mention, if you don't have any return type, then we have to mention the return type as void. The return type as void. If a function won't return
Void.
any value, then we should put void. Here void is a keyword, already we know that. Okay, void means nothing, means the say hi function nothing returns.
Nothing.
It not return any value. So that is what. Is it clear? What is void? What is the function? What is the how to? Here another important thing is here x and y. Those are called arguments. X and y. Those are called arguments. Argument in the sense
Argument.
whatever values you are passing from your function, those are called arguments. Those are called arguments. Okay. Any doubts? Okay, so I think enough for today. Okay, do you want some more? Next one, for next class I want to be complete, give each and every explanation of program. Next one I want one sample program for each concept.